What's going on, guys? It's a Decoration Demon here, and today what I have for you is an unboxing, setup, and demo of the new for 2026 Neon Nightmare. So, a little bit of a backstory on this guy. He was actually supposed to release last year. He was showcased at the managers meeting, but he never ended up releasing. So, some key standouts about this guy is that he has 6 phrases, 3 movements, and the entire thing is blacklight reactive. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we got. Here's an overview of all the parts, starting with the base, the legs, the shoes, the costume, the main torso, the arms and hands, the head, the back piece, the adapter, and the instructions. Your first step is to place the shoes on the base, snap lock on the legs, and slide the costume over. Your next step is to snap lock on the torso frame, pull the clothes up, and plug the adapter into the control box. And now would be a good time to take a look at that control box. Here's a good look at the control box. It has a couple different modes and a step head jack. I'm gonna have him in timer/sensor and have his volume about there. Your next step is to attach both the arms and hands, and then connect the wires coming from here and here, which are labeled, which makes things a lot easier, and then snap lock the crank into the box. Your last several steps is to attach the back piece using the forked pin and cotter pin method, and then you're going to want to attach the head, which we'll be using a wing nut. Adjust them to your liking, adjust all the wiring, plug it in, and you are done.
Hello there, folks. You want to see something really cool? Well, do ya? It'll blow your mind. Bet you didn't see that one coming. Calm down there, buddy. My little monster friend here wants a bite to eat, but don't get too close, or he might just bite. Whoa! Never mind, I'm the one who bites. I just love playing with fun Halloween toys. They always give me such a fright. Let's see what happens here. Didn't expect that one. That toy is broken. Welcome. For my next act, make sure not to lose your head over it. I promise I won't. Just one more second and... I guess I lost my head over it. Get it? I just love this part of the song. Always makes me giggle. But wait, my favorite part is coming up. That part never gets old.